All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today I'm back with a completely different type of video. When I say a different type of video, I mean this is a type of video I haven't really launched on my channel in a long time. But now, man, I get a lot of comments and questions about this specific topic, so I decided that I would bring it up. Listen, so as a fragrance connoisseur and a guy who loves to wear fragrances, I often get fragrances from my other bearded brethren out there wanting to know what beard oil should they wear to complement their favorite scents. Now, if you're getting into fragrance beard brands, right, you get like your Tom Fords, those things can get really expensive. And generally speaking, they don't have something that goes along with everything. So generally speaking, I would tell you to go with the unscented beard oil or go with a lightly scented beard oil. Or if I knew of a beard brand company that had a beard oil that was close or would not compete with a fragrance that you enjoy, I would direct you that way. But today, things are a bit different. So generally speaking, there are a lot of different beard companies that I enjoy working with. I enjoy their products, etc. And I got another beard company in the mail a few weeks ago, and I decided, yeah, I'll give it a try. And when I did, I was like, okay, I see where they're going with this. And now that I've done my testing, I'm like, yeah, this one is a winner. Now, I'm not getting paid for this video, but I figured I'll let you guys know about this because there's a lot of beer companies that I deal with and they have some good sense, right? But here's the deal. We want something that's not going to compete with fragrances that we enjoy. And because of that, I'm going to tell you to check out a beard company called Sphinx Beard Oil. Yes, right now they only have beard oils that I was able to see on their site, but they do something really well, and that is mirror fragrances that we enjoy wearing, so they will pair perfectly. Now, this isn't the first company to try things like this. I've gotten other ones in the past, but when I look at the overall presentation, the way the box is made, the way fuck the box, right? But this is important in this case because it's shipping to you, all right? So when I look at the presentation, how everything is packaged and how they smell, this is the way for you to go. So as I was researching this company here, man, a few things stood out to me overall. And this is why I feel like this is the best beard oil secret on the market today because, well, it was mine and now it's yours. All right, so here's the deal, man. So aside from them having all natural ingredients, so that means there's nothing in this that's going to harm your beard, they also smell amazing. And that is the key when it comes down to why I'm telling you guys to check this thing out. All right, so first things first, when it comes down to Sphinx Beard Oil, and one reason why I'm telling you that you gotta get your nose on it is one, the presentation. All right, so you know me, Mr. F the box, all right? So forget the box, but just know that your fragrance, just know that your beard oil is well secured, all right? Here you go, man. This is what the presentation on these things actually look like. This one specifically is called What the Fudge. As I stated, these things are made and created to smell similar to fragrances that you are familiar with or you may have heard of. All right, so this one, What the Fudge, is made to go with Tom Ford's fucking Fabulous. And here we are, man. Sphinx What the Fudge. Cool. All right. Drop down. Bow. Yeah. Smells just like this thing. Rub this thing on. Now, you are not competing with your favorite fragrance. Also, another thing that you can do is pop this thing on. You go into a quick movie or something, you need to reapply but don't want to smell like you just reapplied. Pop this thing on, man. Cuddle buddy for real. So I really enjoy these, man. They have What the Fudge, which again is Tom Ford's fucking Fabulous. You also have a lot of other fragrances that you would be familiar with within this lineup. You also have one Caribbean Island, which I believe the name is. That one is off of Creed's Virgin Island Water. You also have Choke Cherry. I think it's called Choke Cherry, man. And that one is based on Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. And again, a ton of other fragrances that you would love. And here's the thing. Not only does it smell good, it also looks good. And that's really important, right? It needs to shine and sparkle on the beard. And that's exactly what it does. Look, man, so I know this is not like a long video, but I want to give you a best beard secret, if you ask me. I think this is something that a lot of men struggle with, is getting a beard oil that complements their fragrance that they're wearing well. Again, not only is it like smell good, it's also inexpensive. I think like $25 for a bottle of these things, man, here, which is not bad at all, because I have some Tom Ford beard oil that is ungodly. It's really expensive. Yes, it smells like the fragrance as it should, but you can buy a few of these for the price of one Tom Ford beard oil. And again, no one's going to know the difference. It works well, it shines, it lasts, and yes, it smells amazing. Now, I know I stated that they are primarily focusing on beard oil, but I also know that they do have some beard balms in the works. I'm not sure if they're on their site yet, but last time I checked, they weren't fully launched, and I just wanted to put you guys up on game, give you one of my best beard secrets, because I think this is a problem that a lot of men come across, is properly choosing the correct beard oil and fragrance, man. Go on their site, check them out. I don't have any discount codes or anything like that because this video wasn't required. I just felt like I needed to put y'all up on game because a lot of you have been asking these types of questions. Big Beard B, what beard oil can I wear with my special fragrance? Check their site out, see if there are any fragrances that you enjoy. If not, leave them a message. Maybe they will make that one sooner than later. I'll leave everything linked down below for you, man, but that is Sphinx Beard Oil. I got about 5 or 6 of their beard oils. So you know what? This is what I'm going to do, because I have a sample set here as well. Right, it gives you a little breakdown. I think these are 6 of them. Yeah, so 6 of them. You got Smolder. Smolder is one that they actually created on their own. That one is on them. You got Black Dessert. You got Chocoholic. You got Caribbean Island, which is that Virgin Island water one as well, man. Solid, solid. I will give this one here away, man. Just comment down below. Let me know how long you've been rocking your beard. That's all I want to know, man. How long you been rocking your beard? Comment down below. Obviously, be a subscriber of the channel. And then I will pick one lucky winner to pick this thing up, man. I will leave everything linked down below. As always, I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. You can keep this a secret, or you can share it with a friend. All right, man. So again, that's one of my best beard secrets that I've had as of recent. I wanted to share it with you guys, let you know what it got. There you have it. I'm out.